Hello beasts, my name is Ben Pasta Beast. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get ALLISTA'S Annihilator or the fully upgraded ALLISTA'S Folly in the new map Dead of the Night. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get silver bullets. And how to do this, you have to craft something. And the first part that you're going to need is a little candlestick. So it can spawn on that table in the spot that I just showed you. It can spawn right in front of this pot right there. And then the final spot that it can spawn is inside of the billiards room. It's going to be on the floor. And it's just going to be kind of chilling there. Right there. And that's where it was in my game. So then the second part that you're going to have to find is a little metal tray. So the first spawn location that you can find it is sitting right there, right as you can see it. The second spawn location is going to be right there on this table next to the noose. And then the third spot is going to be right behind it, right on that wall, just hanging there to the right of the little painting. So then the third part you're going to want to find is a pot. The first spot, it can be right there on the corner of that table. The second spawn is not on that table. It's on the back, right behind the clock, right there on that table there. And then the third spot is going to be all the way on the other side, right in the hallway that leads to the library. It's going to spawn right there. That's where it was in my game. And I'll show you guys me just running over there really quickly and picking it up. So now we're going to be finding another 3 parts in order to craft some molten iron. And so the first part is going to be charcoal. It's going to spawn right there in the main lobby, right here inside of the billiards room. And then the final spawn is going to be inside of ALLISTA'S bedroom, right where I'm about to shoot. The next part that you're going to want to find is some sulfur, and this is going to be in the greenhouse. The first spawn location is right there. The second one is right there, and they're all just going to be on these little tables. And the third one is right there. You can see what it looks like. It's got little spikes coming out of it. It looks pretty interesting. So then the next and final part that you're going to find is some bat poop. And the first location is going to be right along this railing right there in the corner. The second location is going to be right over here in front of the mausoleum that you would go in to get the Savage Impaler. It's going to be sitting there right on the floor like that. And then the third and final location is behind this little tree. It'll just be chilling there right in the grass. So once you've got the molten iron, sulfur, charcoal, and bat poop, you're going to be going over here to this crafting table in the library, and you are going to be crafting the silver bullets. And so I would advise you craft the silver bullets before you get all the tuning forks to open up Pack-a-Punch, because what you want to do, and just melee open this, I forgot about that. Just melee that open, you'll get a part for the weapon, and that's going to be used for the first upgrade. But the reason why I recommend you get the silver bullets before you open up for Pack-a-Punch is that when you open up for Pack-a-Punch, you're going to get a werewolf. And for the next step, you're going to have to kill a werewolf with silver bullets. So if you get the silver bullets before you open up into Pack-a-Punch, then you're just automatically going to get that werewolf to automatically spawn in, and you won't have to wait for one to spawn naturally, and so you can just really easily kill it with the gun with silver bullets. And what this is going to end up doing is when you kill the werewolf with the silver bullets, and you have to kill him with the gun with silver bullets. Doesn't matter if you deal damage to him with any other weapons, you just have to get the final shot with the gun with silver bullets, and he will drop werewolf chaos material. And so what you're going to do with this chaos material is after you've gotten that and the weapon frame that you have just gotten from the secret room, then you can go back and you can finally, once you've got the ALLISTA'S Annihilator, you can go and place the wolf chaos material inside of this little machine. After about 30 seconds, it'll come out the other end as a microscope slide, and then you will be able to build the first upgrade to the ALLISTA'S Folly, the Chaos Theory.
Never tried gunsmithing before, but I do know my way around firearms.
So after you get this Chaos Theory, you're ready to upgrade this to ALLISTA'S Annihilator, and the first thing you want to do is play a little game with these lamps. And you should see one lamp should be a little darker orange than the rest. And you want to take note of all of the lamps around here that are not on, and then once you shoot the glowing orange lamp with the Chaos Theory, it'll go teleport to another one of the lamps that was off before, and it'll only teleport to the ones that were off, not the ones that were on. And once you shoot the fourth one, it'll spawn a bat, and you have to shoot the bat down. I think you can just use a normal shot, but I use the charge shot just to be sure. But I'm 90% sure that you can just shoot it down with a normal shot. So once you've shot it down with the normal shot, or the charge shot, doesn't matter which one, then you will get some bat chaos material or whatever it's called. And then the next step that you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to get some Nosferatu chaos material. This is from the Crimson Vampires, and what you want to do is you want to shoot a charge shot at vampires, and they will drop some bile when they die. So after you've killed about 4-ish vampires with this charge shot of the Chaos Theory, then you are gonna want to go right over to this tombstone. It should start glowing, and you're going to hold X on it, and it's going to place the bile onto the tombstone. And then the Crimson Nosferatu is going to come out of that, and he's going to be pretty angry at you. You're just going to shoot him a bunch, and then he'll die. And it doesn't matter what you kill him with, he'll still just drop this Nosferatu Chaos material. So then, after that, you're going to want to get the weapon frame from the gun. And it doesn't actually matter what order you do these in. This is just what I did it in my game. You can get the Nosferatu Chaos material before you do any of the steps. You can also get this before you do any of the other steps. It really doesn't matter. But you want to shoot a charge shot above these little mushroom things. And if you get the yellow one that sort of turns the zombies, like makes them run away, then the zombie should start digging inside of these little things, and you want to kill the zombie directly on top of it, otherwise it won't dig. It's pretty stingy, but then you should get a weapon frame after the zombie digs. And so then you can go back and you can place the 2 chaos materials that you found into this machine again, and it will give you the microscope slide for each. So you want to do one for the Nosferatu Chaos material and one for the Bat Chaos material. But once you get both of those microscope slides, you will be able to upgrade this to the ALLISTA'S Annihilator. And the ALLISTA'S Annihilator is actually pretty cool. It's got 4 charge shots instead of 2 like the Chaos Theory has. And it's just better in general. There's more ammo. It's got a cool sight that's pretty useless. But that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. My name is Ben Buster Beast. And yeah, bye.